How to create an account in TikTok. Now in order to create an account in TikTok, just simply open TikTok app and then tap to this profile icon from the bottom right corner. After tapping in there, you will get a lot of options in order to log into TikTok account, and one of them is this sign up option from the very bottom. Tap to sign up button, and after that you can choose either your phone number, email address, Facebook or Google in order to create an account in TikTok. You can use any of these options. I'm just simply continuing with Google. Simply tap to any of those. If you have selected Google just like me, select the Google account which you would like to use in order to create TikTok account. And after choosing the Google account, Facebook account or email address, you can set up a birth date in your TikTok account. Just simply set up your birth date and tap to continue. Then after setting up your birthday, you can set up a username for your TikTok account. Set up a username and tap to continue. Then like this, your TikTok account will be created in an instant. I hope this video was helpful to you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.